Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? You're fine. That's good. I welcome you in my class. That is English for grade 2. We are learning Unit 8. Its title is An Accident at Home. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of writing, we are going to learn about action words. Before this, in your book on page number 23, I have taught you about action words. Remember? I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And now we are going to identify and use more common action words and construct simple sentences of 3, 4 to 5, 6, means maximum 6 words using correct capitalization, punctuation and spelling. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Kawthar, verse 2. So pray to your Lord and offer sacrifice to Him alone. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us, we should pray only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So beta, whatever the situation is, if there is something difficult, we find it's difficult, what should we do? We should make dua, we should pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and Allah will make that easy, inshallah, for us. Okay? So, let's start our lesson. First, you tell me what are action words and what do you understand by words play, run, and jump. Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you could answer correctly. What are action words? The action is something that someone is doing. For example, sleeping, sitting, and napping. So, even though there is no movement, there is still an action. So, action means doing something. A word which tells about doing of something is action word. And beta, it's not necessary that there is a movement. As I've told you, sleeping. When a person is sleeping, he's not moving, but still there is an action. And what is that? Sleeping. All right. So, what do you understand by play? Ahmad plays cricket. So, this play is action. What Ahmad is doing, what the word which is telling us, that is play. So, this is action word. I run outside. So, this word is action word. And I jump. Yes, I jump. So, this jump is action word. Right? All right. So, look at this picture, what this boy is doing. This cute boy. He is eating date. And he is eating a sunnah food. Right? So, eating date is a sunnah. It seems as he's doing one thing, but there are many things more. He is sitting. He is looking at something. Somehow he's smiling. So, beta, this is how all these words are action words. It's not one person is doing one thing, so that is only. There can be more than one action words which can describe a person, like what the person is doing at this time. All right. Now, look at this boy. What is he doing? MashaAllah, he is reciting Quran, all right, and he is smiling, he is looking at Quran, he is sitting, he is reading. So, all these words which are telling what he is doing are action words. Remember, this concept we have already learned. So, let's learn more about action words. What we are going to do first, we are going to learn it through an activity. Your teacher will divide class and the text of this lesson in 4 groups. Okay, so teacher will divide 4 groups and the text in 4 parts. Teacher will assign one part of the text to one group and so on. Okay, the second part to second group, third part to third, and fourth part to fourth. Every group will underline the action words from the assigned part, and each student in the group will show action words by doing it. All right. For example, this is the part given to you, and action word here is watching. So you'll come and you'll say watching. Watching. How do we watch? And like this. Okay. So pause the video, enjoy this beautiful activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students. Are you done with it? Good job. Now, I hope you have a vocabulary of many new action words which we did not learn first. Okay. So, now let's practice it from your book. Identify a few action words in the picture below and write sentences in your notebook. So, what you are going to do? First, you have to be careful. The word bank is given, but all the words are not action words. So, first you have to find out which words are action word, and after finding out, you have to make the sentences. How? For example, the first word is wave. What does wave mean? Wave, right? It means it's an action word. So you will use it in your sentence like this. Students waved to policemen. What they are doing? From this picture, you have to make sentence. So students waved to policemen, right? Are you clear? So pause the video. Complete this task in your notebook and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. And I hope while writing, you have to be careful about your punctuation. This S, because it's the first letter of the sentence, it should be capital, and it's a simple affirmative sentence, so we have to put a full stop. So are you done with the correct punctuation? Check your work. Pause the video. Check your punctuations. Did you do it correct? Good job. My children are smart. So it's time for your homework. You will write 5 action words in your notebook and make sentences of 4 to 6 words using correct capitalization and punctuation and spellings. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And students, what you are going to do, here is a word bank. Again, first you will circle the verbs, and by using those verbs, you will complete these sentences. So what we have learned today, we learned the concept of action words, and we identified and used action words. So we constructed simple sentences. So we achieved our SLO to identify and use more action words and construct simple sentences of 4 to 6 words using correct capitalization, punctuation, and spelling. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.